Welcome to our Healthy Care Over 50s channel. Today, we're zoning in on a critical yet often overlooked aspect of your health: your kidneys. Your kidneys are essentially your body's natural filtration system, processing about half a cup of blood every minute to remove toxins and waste. These organs are indispensable for your survival. But here's a startling fact: once damaged, kidney damage is mostly irreversible, particularly when it becomes chronic. Neglecting kidney health can lead to severe consequences, such as kidney failure, which might necessitate treatments like dialysis or a kidney transplant just to stay alive. What's even more concerning is that about 1/3 of people with seriously weakened kidney function are not even aware they have kidney disease because the symptoms are so vague. But did you know that certain everyday foods can stealthily harm your kidneys? Yes, some of the foods we consume regularly could be silently deteriorating your kidney health over time. In this video, we're going to uncover 6 common foods that pose risks to your kidneys. We'll also arm you with essential tips on how to consume these foods safely, ensuring you protect your kidney health. Every piece of information in this video has been rigorously fact-checked, is unbiased, and has been reviewed by healthcare professionals. Prepare to be surprised by some of the foods on our list. Make sure to watch until the end for all the crucial details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest health insights. 1. Rice. Rice is a beloved sidekick to meals across the world, but it might be harboring a toxic secret. Although it seems harmless, rice is known to have high levels of arsenic, a heavy metal that can cause significant damage to your kidneys. Exposure to arsenic can lead to severe health issues, including acute renal failure and chronic renal insufficiency. In raw rice, the more harmful form, known as inorganic arsenic, ranges from 0.1 to 0.4 milligrams per kilogram. In comparison, other grains like wheat and barley often have undetectable levels of inorganic arsenic, with their total arsenic content only around 0.03 to 0.08 milligrams per kilogram. Moreover, rice tends to absorb more cadmium and other heavy metals than other crops, increasing the risk further. Not necessarily. It's all about moderation. While it's fine to enjoy rice occasionally, frequent consumption, especially in infants and children, should be approached with caution. Children can absorb up to 3 times more arsenic from rice than adults, which could potentially affect their brain development, intelligence, and memory. If you're looking for alternatives to rice, especially brown rice which can contain higher arsenic levels, consider these low arsenic options: quinoa, barley, couscous, buckwheat, millet, farro, and sorghum. These grains offer safer and nutritious alternatives that can fit well into a balanced diet. 2. Spinach. Spinach is often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins and minerals. However, it also comes with a hidden risk: it's high in oxalates, compounds that can be tough on your kidneys. Astonishingly, 100 grams of spinach can contain up to 1,260 milligrams of oxalate, far surpassing levels found in other leafy greens. High oxalate intake can be seriously harmful. In extreme cases, such as with someone who consumed a large amount of oxalate-rich sorrel soup, it has led to acute kidney failure and fatal outcomes. Even moderate daily consumption can accumulate oxalates in your body, potentially causing kidney stones, bladder issues, kidney nephropathy, joint problems, and impacts on every organ, including the brain. Conditions like interstitial cystitis, also known as painful bladder syndrome, are also linked to high oxalate levels. Another concern with spinach is its high potassium content. While healthy kidneys typically manage potassium levels effectively, those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, need to be careful. The National Kidney Foundation recommends CKD patients limit their potassium intake to 2,000 milligrams daily, yet just 100 grams of raw spinach contains about 558 milligrams of potassium. It's crucial to note that boiling spinach does not reduce its potassium or oxalate content. If you have kidney concerns or just want to be cautious, incorporating spinach moderately into your diet is key. You can balance your meals with other vegetables lower in oxalates and potassium, such as kale, carrots, zucchini, lettuce, cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. 3. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. While sweet potatoes are celebrated as a superfood, rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, there's a catch: both potatoes and sweet potatoes are high in potassium. This can be a concern, especially for those with kidney disease. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, a regular baked potato contains about 610 milligrams of potassium, and a similarly sized sweet potato contains around 438 milligrams. Fortunately, unlike spinach, you can reduce the potassium content in potatoes and sweet potatoes. Soaking them in water before cooking is an effective method to do this. This simple prep step is crucial for those looking to manage their kidney health, allowing them to enjoy these nutritious vegetables without overloading on potassium. Another important point to consider is the popular snacks made from potatoes, like French fries and chips. These are typically high in sodium, which can further strain your kidneys. Consuming these snacks can easily exceed your daily sodium limit, and given that they are highly processed, they offer little nutritional value. It's best to avoid highly processed potato products altogether. Opting for whole, unprocessed versions of potatoes and sweet potatoes is a healthier choice that preserves their nutritional benefits, while allowing for better control over sodium and potassium intake. 4. Soda. Consuming sugar in liquid form, such as soda, is significantly more harmful than consuming it in solid form. Soda is essentially liquid sugar, and here's how it impacts your kidneys. When your blood sugar levels are high, your kidneys begin to spill sugar into your urine. For those with healthy kidneys, this may not pose an immediate problem. However, for individuals with diabetes, this excess sugar can cause severe kidney damage. Many people opt for diet soda as a healthier alternative, thinking it contains less sugar. However, what might not be widely known is that regular consumption of diet soda is linked to a 67% higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Despite having no sugar, diet sodas contain additives and artificial sweeteners that can still harm your kidneys. An even more concerning issue is the high levels of phosphorus additives found in sodas, which are used to enhance flavor and prolong shelf life. Excessive phosphorus, especially the kind found in sodas, is absorbed more readily by the body compared to natural sources. This can be detrimental to your kidneys. The National Kidney Foundation recommends limiting phosphorus intake to 700 milligrams per day to maintain normal kidney function. To protect your kidneys and overall health, it's wise to cut back or even eliminate soda from your diet. By doing so, you reduce the risk of developing kidney-related issues and other health complications associated with high sugar and phosphorus intake. 5. Butter. Butter, a dairy product derived from the fat and protein components of milk or cream, is a favorite for many due to its rich, creamy texture. However, it's primarily made up of saturated fats and cholesterol. These compounds are notorious for contributing to high blood pressure and the formation of arterial plaque, which can restrict the blood vessels in your kidneys and impair their function over time. Adding to the concern is salted butter. Did you know that 100 grams of salted butter contains about 643 milligrams of salt? That's a significant amount, especially for those monitoring their sodium intake. A high-sodium diet can increase blood pressure, putting additional strain on your kidneys and potentially leading to long-term kidney damage. Furthermore, the butter you buy at the store is often heavily processed to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. This processing can strip away vital nutrients, such as calcium, leaving butter with minimal nutritional benefits. What you're left with is a product that may enhance taste but detracts from your health, especially kidney health. To support your kidney health, consider opting for organic, unsalted butter. Organic options tend to be less processed and contain no added salts, making them a better choice for maintaining a balanced diet. Remember, moderation is key. While butter can be part of a healthy diet, it's important to consume it in limited amounts. 6. Dried fruits. Dried fruits are often celebrated for being tasty and nutrient-dense, a result of their concentrated form once the water content is removed. However, this concentration isn't just about vitamins and minerals, it includes elements that might be harmful to your kidneys. For instance, according to the USDA, just 1 cup of uncooked pitted prunes contains 1,270 milligrams of potassium, which meets about half of the daily requirement. Beyond their natural contents, many dried fruits on the market have added additives, extra salt, and sugar to enhance flavor. These additives can place additional stress on your kidneys as they work to filter your blood. Regular consumption of dried fruits could potentially overwork your kidneys, especially if consumed in large quantities. It's also surprisingly easy to overeat dried fruits. Their small, convenient size makes them ideal for snacking, leading you to consume more calories and sugar than you might realize. Additionally, because the dehydration process removes much of the water from the fruit, they don't make you feel as full as their fresh counterparts. If you're concerned about kidney health or managing your intake of potassium and sugar, sticking with fresh fruits is a safer bet. Fresh fruits maintain their water content, helping you feel more satisfied and less likely to overindulge, while also offering a balance of nutrients without the added stress on your kidneys. Extending the list, foods to avoid for kidney health. Additional items that aren't great for your kidneys include canned or frozen foods, GMOs, tomato sauce, and concentrated juices. These products often contain high levels of salt and added sugars, which can further strain your kidneys. By avoiding these or practicing moderation, you're taking an essential step toward a kidney-friendly lifestyle. To better remember these foods and keep your kidney health in check, try writing down the list. It's a great way to test your memory and keep these important tips at the forefront of your mind. We want to extend a heartfelt thank you to all our current subscribers and supporters. Your engagement and support inspire us to continue delivering top-notch health tips and valuable information. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Your health is your wealth, and we're here to help you protect it with informed, practical advice. Let us know in the comments if there are other topics you'd like us to cover, or share your experiences with managing kidney health through diet. We love hearing from you.